In this video, we are going to see how to send Jira issues to Zoho Cliq channel. So let's say that you're using Jira software as a project tracking software where every time an issue has been created, so the details of this issue has to be shared with your team, which is there on Zoho Cliq, which is a team communication software. Now, how can you do that? For this, you will have to set up some integration between the two applications, and the same thing can be done using Pabbly Connect software. Here, your trigger application would be Jira software and your action application would be Zoho Cliq. Now, how can you do this yourself? Integrate and automate this entire process. To know that, let me take you to my screen. To begin with the process, we are first going to type the URL pabbly.com/connect, and as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of this software. On the right hand side, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, simply sign in. If you are a new user, click on this tab sign up. It won't take more than 2 minutes. And also at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks. So now I'm going to click on sign in. And as we do that, here we have reached the all apps page. Let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. Here we have reached the dashboard of this application. Let's click on create workflow, and a dialog box is asking you to name your workflow. Now here my objective is to send Jira issues to Zoho Cliq channel. So every time an issue is created in Jira software, then automatically the information should be sent to Zoho Cliq channel as a message. So now I'm going to click on create here. So as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got two extremely important events. One is trigger, another one is action. Triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens, and action is do this. So when an issue is created in Jira, then automatically a message should be sent in Zoho Cliq. So now I'm going to choose my trigger application as Jira software. Let's click on this. And the trigger event here would be to configure webhooks. Once done, here we have received a webhook which is going to act as a bridge for connecting Pabbly Connect with Jira software so that Pabbly Connect can have access to the information provided. I'm going to copy this, and now we have to follow this help desk to set up this connection. So what are we going to do? First, we are going to go to Jira. Here I have already logged in. Then we have to go to settings. Here we have to go to system. So once we are here, we have to go down, and here under advanced we'll see webhooks. Let's click on this. Now here we are going to click on create a webhook, and here you have to name your webhook. So let's say it's new webhook listener 345, and now the status has been enabled. Here we are going to paste the URL that we have just copied, and then here if you wish to provide a description, you can do that. Now the issue related events. So you can specify a particular JQL query, or you can select all issues. So I have selected all issues. Now here you have to click on issue created because we are creating an issue here. So once this is done, I'm going to go down and click on create. So as we do that, here we can see that a new webhook has been successfully created. So going back to Pabbly Connect, here it is saying that now do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So I'm going to go back to Jira, and here I'm going to create an issue. It can be for any particular project. So here let's say it is for Pabbly Connect integrations, and this issue type is a bug. You can select different issue types like it is a task, a new feature, or epic. So I'm here going to select a task. So once done, what is the status? The status is in process, in review, or done. Say it is in progress. Now the summary. So I'm just going to write demo summary. Now here the description. Let's say the description is the issue has been created because of technical error. Okay. Now I'm going to put a full stop, go down. So due date. So it has to be sorted by, let's say, 2nd of December. And now I'm going to click on create. So here you can see that we have created PCI 98 issue. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see that we have received the API response. So as I take you down here, we have got the information. So this is the summary, which is demo summary. Then what is the categories color name? It is medium priority, so it is blue gray. Then as I take you down here, so what is the name of the project? It is Pabbly Connect integrations. Okay, here is the field description, which is that issue has been created because of technical error. So I have received this information. Now what is my objective? My objective is to send a message on Zoho Cliq. So I'm going to choose my action application as Zoho Cliq. Let's click on this. And now the action event here would be to send message to channel. Let's click on connect. And here Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with Zoho Cliq account. Now to set up this connection, I'm going to click on add new connection, then connect with Zoho Cliq. And here we have to enter the domain name. So I'm going to take you to my Zoho Cliq account. This is my Zoho Cliq account. And here you can see that what is the domain here, zoho.in. So going back to Pabbly Connect, I'm going to quickly copy this and paste this over here and then click on save. So once done, I'm going to go down and click on accept. So here you can see that the authorization has been successful, which basically means that Zoho Cliq is now connected with Pabbly Connect. And now we have to map this information: channel, message, boat name, boat image. Now to understand this, again I'm going to take you to Zoho Cliq account. Here we have got different conversations. So I have created a conversation named int_pab. You can create your own chat by clicking on this tab here, and you can click on add chats and create a new chat. So now taking you back to Pabbly Connect, here we have to write a message. So my message here would be: a new issue has been created on Jira software. Okay, now let's provide the information. So I'm going to write details. And now the first thing is I'm going to go to step 1. And here as I take you down, first of all the summary. So I'm going to write here issue summary. So this is issue summary. Now the next thing that I can have here is project name. So now I want to add the project name. So this is Pabbly Connect integration. Now this is the issue description. So I'm going to write issue description. This is the issue description. Okay, so this is the information that I needed, and then I'm going to write regards, and here I'm going to leave this blank, boat name and boat image. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as we do that, here we can see that we have received the API response. Now I'm going to take you back to int_pab, and here let's check if we have received the message. So yes, here we have received the message. This basically means that this integration process is a success, but we also need to check this in real time. So I'm going to take you back to Jira, and here I'm going to create another issue. So let's say this time the summary is test summary. Then we have the description. So the issue has been created due to software failure. Okay, and now the date. So let's say it is 3rd of December, and now I'm going to click on create. So here we can see that we have created PCI 99 issue. So as soon as this issue has been created, then automatically a message should be sent on Zoho Cliq. So here we can see that yes, we have received another message. A new message has been created. This is test summary Pabbly, and the issue type is task. And here we have the description. The issue has been created due to software failure. Regards. This basically means that our integration process is a complete success. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect to understand what we have done. So this is an extremely easy 2-step integration process where our trigger application is Jira software, and the event here is configure webhooks. Then our action application is Zoho Cliq, and here the event is to send message to channel. I hope you have no doubts. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow which is given in the description box of this video. You can also clone the same and start to process immediately. Apart from this, if you have any particular integration that you wish to work on, you can always write to us. Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.